And I brought my multi-purpose pool noodle, just in case I see any teddy bears. Or stuffed animals or whatever. Ah! Stay back. I don't want to do this. That won't go down. There they are. I'm making my game plan. Stupid, it's a pillow pet. Aww, they're so cute and cuddly. Oh, what am I doing? Really, guys? Still, you're not gonna go down? Guess you want it the hard way. Okay, here I go. Okay, I'm gonna go because apparently those were some little girls, and the little girl called the cops on me, and she's a really tough girl. I'll show you a picture of him, but then I gotta go because